What's going on YouTube? Back to another video. It's raining, my hair's crazy, but we're here with my boy Ricardo. He brought his Camaro, I brought my GT. We're literally just sitting over here. Here are the cars. GT got the Camaro. Basically today's video is just gonna be me just kind of driving around, him driving around, getting clips of his car, my car, how they sound, how they look. I did bring a carbon fiber piece that we'll be putting on today, but probably not in the rain because it's raining. I'm gonna give you guys the update on the GT, how she's looking. So fitment wise, she's looking pretty bomb. We have our back fitment right here. She's dropped pretty low. We also do have our racing sticker still from track, and then she's looking pretty good in the front. Probably have to drop her a little bit more, but overall nothing new, just chilling. I do need to do a oil change on her soon because I did take this baby to the track. And then moving on, we have my friend's car over here. We do have the Camaro. What version of Camaro is it? So we got 2019 RS Camaro. This thing's pretty badass. Like, I sat in it before. I would never drive a Camaro though. But we do have the front end. And then we have the side. Really nice car. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get some clips of his car, my car, basically how they sound. Basically comparison of how they sound next to each other. I believe I have my stand, so I'm gonna be doing that. And then just giving you guys a quick look of the GT and the Camaro together, best buds. All right, so I see you guys back in a little bit. I need to do something about this hair, but I'm gonna see you guys in a little bit. We're gonna get some clips of the cars, and I'll see you in the next one. So for my car, I have an N1 Catback exhaust. I think that's it. Just an N1 Catback exhaust, full Catback.
For me, what I have on my car is just the muffler delete right now, and then a can and air intake. That's all I have right now for it. Later down the future, I'm thinking of actually doing a whole bar-like exhaust system on it. It sounds a lot better. Don't mind the license plate.
So how we're gonna do it? Ricardo's gonna go second. I'll go first because his car is generally louder than mine. So I'm gonna do my car first. I'll do like a couple of revs, 2 to 3 to 4 RPM, and then maybe we'll go to 5, and then he'll do the same thing, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. Basically, that's our car sound comparison. Just put down in the comments which one you guys do like. I personally do like his car because it's a lot louder. I want to go louder as well, but in due time. Remember, he has a 6-banger, I only have a 4-banger. So definitely leave in the comments the type of car that you guys like. Let me know what's your favorite car. Shit, right now we're gonna head to, where are we going?
Most likely gonna go hit a McDonald's actually.
Let's go hit up a McDonald's. I'm gonna get some rollers of his car, and then I'll probably just have my cam ready, and then just kind of see him going by. So we're gonna hit that up, and I'll see you guys in the next clip. midst of going to Cane's, we found a random BRZ fire. Got the baby blue with the white rims, looking clean. Actually, I'm gonna go talk to the dude and see what he has done to it, what he likes about it, things like that. Name again?
Bryant.
All right, Brian, say what's up.
Yo, nice to meet you guys.
So this is BRZ right here.
Yeah.
So do you want to tell what you have done to it?
Yeah, this is the Hyper Blue Series 1 in 500. All I've really got, I got some Rutherford rims on it. Dropped it with some Tane coil, not coilovers. I just did springs.
Yeah.
And then I got just that's pretty much it.
Sick,
Nothing
bro.
Too crazy. Just my little thing, you know.
That's gonna be another video. Hey, thank you for sticking around to the end. If you stuck around to the end, can you comment in the comment section Camaro or GT86? I appreciate you guys. The police did roll up and told us like, hey, you guys can't record in here, you guys gotta go.
Good thing is that they were being chill about it.
Yeah. I mean, it was the greatest interaction. They were just like, oh, love the cars, blah, blah, blah. Some dude in a Honda pulled up, was like, hey man, that GT's sick. Like, really dope people. But basically, I'm gonna be making more videos with my boy Ricardo, and I guess kind of want you guys to like get to know him a little bit better, what he likes, what is about his car, what kind of content you guys want to see in the future. So I'm gonna just get a camera to him.
So, just as he said, yeah, we're getting kicked out of here. Cops rolled up, pretty cool guys. Oh yeah, the dude that actually rolled up, he was like, hey, I love the GT. I'm like, that's it. But yeah, but other than that, yeah, make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe. Make sure you guys comment GT or Camaro. Let us know which you guys like. Please love the Camaro. Yeah, it's kind of falling apart, as you guys can see. Some of the paint is actually like dying slowly, but it's there still. Also, another thing is pretty soon I'm also gonna be making my own YouTube account, and you're gonna see your boy Kim and me collaborating a lot more. So probably give it a few more weeks, and then I will go ahead and start my own YouTube channel. Also, pretty soon, Instagram account's coming up, so make sure you guys go ahead and follow that one as well. Once I actually have it, Cam is gonna go ahead and post it on his Instagram. Other than that, that's all I gotta say. Love you guys. Goodbye.